Hi friends, you are watching Technology God YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to say how to remove age restricted video from your YouTube videos. So let's get straight into the video. First I will show you that age restricted video. And you can see there is age restricted video requested by uploader. Now you can remove this. I will show you that. First you need to go to Play Store and download one app called YT Studio and open it. I downloaded already, and choose your video that you want to remove and click it on here edit button. Click it on this edit button. Now you can see that here select audience is there. Here select audience is there. Click it on that. Click it on that. Now here you can select first I will show you how to remove restricted video. Now you can see that here, yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18 is there. You need to select to no, do not restrict my video to viewers over 18. You need to select this. Now if your video is belong to kids, select yes, it's made for kids. If your video is not belong to kids, select no, it's not made for kids. No, now I am clicking it. No, it's not made for kids. And go back and save this video. And now I will show you this video in YouTube. Now that the YouTube will not show age restricted video. See, oh sorry, that is loading on your see. Now you can see there is no age restricted video in this section.